Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive demonstration of a CRM for art and printing business, a powerful multi-user workflow management system designed specifically for design and printing businesses. What makes this application truly exceptional is its sophisticated role-based architecture built entirely on Google Apps Script with Google Sheets as the backend, requiring zero hosting costs while delivering enterprise-level functionality. This system transforms how design and printing companies manage their projects from initial concept to final delivery, providing complete visibility and control over every stage of the workflow. Today, I'll be demonstrating how Neon Art, our featured design and printing company, uses this system to streamline their operations. But this powerful platform can be adapted for any business, requiring structured workflow management with multiple user roles and approval processes. Let me start by showing you the stunning main dashboard that serves as the command center for all operations. Look at this beautifully designed interface featuring a clean material design layout with the distinctive rainbow-styled header showcasing the Neon Art branding. What immediately catches your attention is the innovative stage-based workflow pipeline displayed as colorful, arrow-shaped buttons across the top of the screen. These represent the complete journey of every project, starting with All, showing 58 total projects, then moving through Designing with 6 active projects, Designing Completed with 0 projects, Printing showing 30 projects currently in production, Print Completed with 9 finished prints, Installation with 4 ongoing installations, Billing/Delivery with 3 projects in final stages, and finally, Completed with 6 fully finished projects. Each stage button displays a real-time count of projects, giving managers instant visibility into workflow bottlenecks and resource allocation needs. The central data table is where the magic happens, displaying all projects with comprehensive details in a beautifully organized format. Each row represents a project with columns showing the unique ID, detailed description, job category such as flex printing or digital printing, customer information with integrated customer management, current stage with color-coded status indicators, assigned team members, task creator information, creation and delivery dates, priority levels marked as high, medium, or low, customizable tags for easy filtering, and additional notes. Notice how the interface uses color coding throughout: green for completed projects, blue for designing stages, orange for printing, lime for installation, and light green for billing and delivery phases. This visual system allows users to instantly understand project status at a glance. The application features 2 main modules clearly visible in the toggle buttons at the top: Design and Printing for the complete workflow we're seeing now, and Customers for dedicated customer relationship management. This modular approach allows businesses to focus on specific aspects of their operations while maintaining integrated data across all systems. Now let me demonstrate the powerful stage management functionality that sets this system apart. When I click on any of the stage buttons, such as Printing, which shows 30 projects, the system instantly filters the table to display only projects in that specific stage. This filtering happens in real time and is role-based, meaning different users see different data based on their permissions and assignments. For instance, standard users only see projects assigned to them, while administrators can view all projects within their scope, and owners have complete visibility across the entire organization. Let me show you in another window where I am signed in as a standard user named Tom. Here, you can see that I can only view the job assigned to Tom. If you want to explore the role-based access features in detail, you can visit the site or document linked in the description box. There, you will find detailed information about what each type of user can do and what types of resources they can access. The individual project management capabilities are truly impressive. When I click on any project, I can see detailed information including the project description, job category, complete customer details with name, email, phone, and address information pulled from the integrated customer database, current stage with the ability to quickly change stages, assigned team members, task creation details, precise timestamps for all activities, delivery dates, priority settings, and comprehensive tagging system for organization and searching. The system automatically tracks every change made to projects, creating a complete audit trail that's essential for quality control and accountability. Let me show you the stage change functionality that makes workflow management seamless. When I click to change a stage, a beautiful modal dialog appears with a drop-down menu showing all available stages. The system intelligently manages stage progression, ensuring projects follow logical workflow sequences while providing flexibility for special circumstances. Once I select a new stage and click Save, the change is immediately reflected across the entire system, updating counts, filtering options, and notifying relevant team members. Yes, you heard that right. The application sends email notifications whenever a new record is created or when any changes are made on the project. Let me quickly show you in my inbox. Here, you can see the email was sent with all the details included. Now let me demonstrate the powerful user management system that makes this a true multi-user platform. When I navigate to the User Management section available to administrators and owners, you can see the comprehensive user administration interface. The system displays all users with their roles clearly marked. Owner, admin, and standard users each have distinct permissions and capabilities. Each user has specific job roles assigned, such as designing, flex printing, digital printing, installation, billing, and delivery, allowing for precise assignments and filtering of projects based on expertise and availability. The status column shows whether users are active or inactive, and administrators can manage user roles, change job assignments, and control access levels directly from this interface. The role-based security system is sophisticated and thorough. Owners have complete access to all features, including user management, invitation systems, role changes, and full project visibility. Administrators can manage most operational aspects, approve projects, and oversee their assigned areas, but cannot modify owner accounts or access certain administrative functions. Standard users see only projects assigned to them, can update their assigned tasks, and have limited access to system-wide data, ensuring security while maintaining productivity. The invitation and sign-up system demonstrates the professional approach to user onboarding. New users must receive invitation codes from administrators or owners, ensuring controlled access to the system. The sign-up form requires the invitation code, automatically determines the user's role based on the invitation, collects essential information including name and job roles, and includes password security with confirmation requirements. This invitation-based system ensures that only authorized personnel can access the system while making onboarding smooth and efficient. As a super admin or owner, I can invite any user via the Send Invitation form. Let me invite a user by entering their email ID and selecting their user role. Upon clicking Send, the user will receive a sign-up code, which they can use to sign up and log into the system. Let me switch to that account to show the sign-up process. Here, you can see the user has received the sign-up email. Let's open it. I will copy the invitation code. Let's open the invite link, which will take me to the application URL where I can complete the sign-up process. The sign-up form requires the invitation code, automatically determines the user's role based on the invitation, collects essential information, including name and job role, and includes password security with confirmation requirements. This invitation-based system ensures that only authorized personnel can access the system, while making onboarding smooth and efficient. After filling out the form, I can submit it. Now, let's log in by clicking the login link. And here, I am logged in. The screen is blank because I have not been assigned any tasks yet. To manage invitations, go to the Manage Invitations tab. Here, you can view all your sent invitations and delete any invitation you wish to remove. The search functionality works across all fields, providing instant results as you type. The workflow automation built into this system ensures smooth project progression and prevents common bottlenecks. Team members receive automatic notifications when jobs are assigned to them or when stages change. The system tracks delivery dates and can highlight overdue projects. Let's discuss how to set up this application for yourself. First, make a copy of the spreadsheet using the link provided in the description below. Next, open the script editor by navigating to Extensions and selecting AppScript. To deploy the application, click the Deploy button, then select New Deployment. Choose the deployment type as Web App, and in the description box, enter something simple like Version 1. Set Execute as to me and who has access to anyone. Then click Deploy. You'll be prompted to authorize the code. Grant all necessary permissions. After the deployment completes, you'll receive a web app URL. Copy this URL. Next, go to the auth.js file and replace the page URL with the copied URL. Then navigate to the backend.js file. At the top, you'll find an option to turn the Send Email flag on or off. To edit the stages, go to the lead mixin file. Here, you can modify the stages and their color mappings. Ensure you update the corresponding stage in the schema in your spreadsheet. Once you've made your changes, click Save and proceed to deploy the project again. This time, use Manage Deployments to keep the previously deployed URL unchanged. Click the pencil icon, select New Version, and then click Deploy. Now, make some changes on the spreadsheet side. You can modify the application tab names in the app settings. You can also edit the schema if needed, such as adding extra fields or modifying options for existing fields. After making changes, don't forget to save the settings. Next, add users by clicking the custom menu named Stage Flow. You have two options. Selecting Setup and Add Test Users will add a few test users with the password 1234. Selecting Setup and Add Test Users using Selected Sheet will add users based on the data provided in the selected sheet, such as name, email, and role. That's it. Now, open the application using the previously copied URL. Log in as a super admin to test if everything is working as expected. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.